Hello, welcome to the vlog. Now, it's been a while since we've been sent anything to review, but while we was walking around the camping caravan and motorhome show at the NEC, we noticed this, which is a microwavable toasty food toaster, sandwich toaster even, and the guy wasn't just toasting sandwiches with it, he was also grilling stuff, sausages, bacon, fish. So I thought we'd give it a go. He said 2.5 to 3 minutes. So let's have a look. Let's see what's in the box. It looks really simple. So what do we got? We got some instructions, and which appear to be upside down. Oh no, they're not. It's a folded leaflet. Cleaning, yeah. Wash it before you use it. 2 to 4 minutes. He said cook it for 3, turn it over, cook it for another minute. So what is it? There you go. That's what it is. It's a silicone outcase with feels very Teflon-y, but this, you can take this all to pieces. Take this all to pieces, and so we'll give it, he said just wipe it down. That's what we'll do. Just gives it a very quick wipe down. Quick wipe down. Then let's make the sandwich. So bread appears slightly too big, so butter side down. Butter side down in the actual thing. We'll have a slice of ham. A slice of ham and some cheese. I don't know how well this is going to go. I think it'll be too much cheese. Bit for the chef. And then it's simply a case of putting it together. There you go. I'm putting it into the microwave. Okay, let's put it in the microwave. Put it on for a minute, show you what's going on. The microwave is down here. I don't know how well it's going to, but we'll put that in there. Put it on for 3 minutes, switch it on, and we shall wait. So this is called the ToastiBox. At the show it was £20. Apparently it's normally 25, so it was a show offer for £20. Does it say where they're based? They're based in St Albans. So, LCC TV products. There you go. Right, let's come back to you once it's done its time in the microwave. Right, 4 seconds left. I've already turned it. It's done its 3 minutes. I've turned it over. Let's have a look. I'm hoping this isn't too hot. Bear with me. So it's silicone. It's warm, to say the least. Let's take it out. I don't know how much you can actually see of that. That is hot. That could probably do a little bit longer. So he did say 3 to 4 minutes. So let's just give that another minute in the microwave. It's trial and error. Put this back into the microwave for another minute. Oh, but it looked near enough done. I guess the principle is that the microwave is heating the Teflon plates, which obviously is then toasting the bread. I might have put, I don't know, I might have put too much butter on, but it is definitely, you can smell it, it's definitely like something that would come out of a toasted sandwich. Toasted sandwich? Sandwich toaster. Yeah. Could you get me a couple of fish fingers out of the freezer, please? The other thing it can do is it can grill. So we're going to get a couple of fish fingers and just see, once we've done the toasted sandwich, how long it takes to do the fish fingers. So we're getting now. Yeah, just a couple. Excellent, brilliant. Couple of Iceland fish fingers. Other fish fingers are available. So, right, that should be enough. Let's try this. Oh, that's hotter. Oh, that's a lot hotter. That's a lot. Yeah, that's hot. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely browning off more. So, let's just turn that over. It doesn't stick, which is nice. And there you go. Look at that. Toasted sandwich. Oh, a minute. Toasted sandwich. So, this is for Patrick. Oh, it's proper toasted as well. Yeah, do you know what? Probably that extra minute wasn't needed. So, yeah, I think it was just too much butter. Well, tell me what you think. Come around here, tell me what you think.
Oh, I get a scald in my mouth at the moment.
Yeah, that's hot. Okay, so let's try the fish fingers.
Yeah.
Does it taste like a toasted sandwich?
Yeah, hot.
So let's put the fish fingers in. This, I think, is definitely trial and error, because he said he had a guy that had done it with some pieces of fish. So I'm going to put it into the microwave for probably 5 minutes. See how we go.
It's actually very good.
Is it?
Yeah. It tastes like you could get it from a shop.
Okay.
Like a calf.
Really?
Yeah.
So, I love it.
Want to try that?
No, I'm all good. So, 5 minutes, come back to you when it's pinged. Okay, 10 seconds left on it. I've turned it, done it for 4, turned it. It looks like it's actually flattened the fish fingers. So this could be eventful. It is very hot. So I'm now learning you need a tea towel to undo this. Aha. Let's take that off. Wow. Wow. Just let me show you this. I wasn't expecting that. So, fish fingers, let's have a look. Yep. Cooked and crispy. Look at that. Cooked and crispy fish fingers. Should we try one? Just turn it out. And, oh, cooked on both sides as well. Absolutely lovely. Let's cut one in half. Oh yeah. Oh, Patrick, come on, hot. Yeah. Right. That's hot. How was your toasted sandwich?
Good.
Better than the sandwich toaster?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So.
But I don't think it needed that extra minute because it made the crust go really hard.
Right. So it was what the guy said. 3 minutes, turn it over, 1 minute, done. So that's it. That is the ToastiBox. Obviously you need a microwave, but what a great bit of kit for your camper van, motorhome, caravan, tent, whatever. So boat even. So yeah, I'd highly recommend that. And if you can get it at the show price of £20, absolute result. All dishwasher proof. Very, very impressed. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't already, please subscribe. And if not, ring the bell for notifications. We've got another review coming up of a heated lunchbox. We did one a few years ago, but this one is actually battery powered. So you can set a timer on it, and it keeps your food warm. It will warm your food up. So, right, anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.